How to check order history on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without further ado, let's begin. Open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged in into your Facebook account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner to access menu. Now scroll down. Tap on Setting and Privacy. Now choose Orders and Payments. In the orders and payments section, you will see all your recent order activities. Here you can view the status of your pending or completed orders and activities like donations or money transfers. You can also tap on the cart icon at top to see all the list of the items that you have ordered. In my case, it's empty as I haven't placed any orders yet. So that's how you can check your order history on Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.